In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Robux to your friends from your mobile. So, we're just going to start by opening up the Roblox application. Click on More in the bottom right-hand side and then select Create. Now click on the navigation bar in the top left-hand side. Click on Creations and then just go and select one of your experiences from the list. Now click back on the navigation bar in the top left-hand side. Scroll down at the navigation options and click on Passes. Click on Create a Pass. You can then scroll down and give your pass a name. I'm just going to call this my pass and then click on Create Pass. Now once your pass is created, we can scroll down until you find it in this list and go and click on it like so. Now once you've selected your pass, click on the navigation bar in the top left-hand side, click on Sales and make sure Item for Sale is turned on and enabled. And then you want to enter the amount of Robux that you want to receive. Now just bear in mind that you'll only be receiving 70% of this money as 30% will go to Roblox. So once you've set a price, just press Save Changes and click on Proceed. Now the next thing you need to do is go and open up an internet browser and head over to the Roblox website and then click on Continue in Browser. Now you need to make sure you're on an internet browser and not the Roblox app. Once you're signed into your account, click on your profile icon in the top of this navigation. Click on Creations. Then scroll down and click on the experience that we just created this Game Pass in. Click on Store and then just go and select the Game Pass that we just created. Now, what you can do is come down to the address bar and go and copy this entire address. And you can basically go and send this address to whoever you want to send you Robux. So when the other person clicks this link, this is basically what it will look like. And they can go ahead and click on Buy, and they'll be able to send you directly that Robux. Now, once they've purchased your Game Pass, if you click on the Robux icon in the top navigation, you can click on My Transactions. And this is where you'll see any incoming and pending Robux. Sometimes it can take a couple of days to go and reach your account.